Hi everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the battery level on the left earbuds are not reliable. So if the battery level both on the left and right earbuds are different, at first update the earphone software to their latest versions. If it didn't help you, restart the earbuds to their factory settings and reconnect them. To do so, hold this button over here, which is the connection button, while the case is open for 10 seconds. The LED light should blink the orange color 3 times. The third tip is to fully charge the earbuds, wear them for a while and check whether battery levels are the same. If the battery levels here differ significantly, take your device and proof of purchase to our authorized customer service center for assistance. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.